everybody, looks like we're coming up to another watchtower. This is a number 9 fortress here. Let's check out the number 9 fortress. Probably look like the number 8 and the number 7 fortress. But that's okay. Thanks,
Mr. Man!
All right. We just get to have a nice view and a nice look out here, y'all. Great Wall of China, who would have thought? Great Highway of China. There's a few highways. Let's go back through here. And let's work our way, y'all. It's actually nice and relaxed on this part. Lock for a keepsake. And yeah, this is what it's all about. We actually get to go down for once. So we're descending for once. And then we're gonna go back up again. So let's do it. Working our way back up. And it's getting windier up here, obviously. So all the way up to the top of the wall. So I'm not the only brave one up here, which is good. You gotta be real brave to come up this high. All right, we're almost there, y'all. We're gonna hike up to the top, so let's do it. Almost there. I'm noticeably more winded, but we're still walking up to the top. All the way up to the top, as far as we can go on the Great Wall of China, y'all. Ooh, I'm not gonna talk for a while. This ain't no joke. Let's check it out. All right, so we're coming back around. We got a lot of good stuff to shoot up here. Lots of good views. Look at these mountains, y'all. And the wall. We gonna make it up there? Let's see what we can do. It just keeps going and going and going. Ooh. I don't know if this was a good idea, y'all. Let's do it. Getting down is gonna be the worst part. What's next? Put it in the comments, y'all. You want me to go to Nepal? Get on Everest? I can probably do it because I'm doing this. Let's go. Yeah, this ain't no joke. But you can't beat this. Look, we done got up so high, you can hardly see the wall. That's crazy. But the show must go on. Whew. I can barely talk. Lo and behold, we made it to another viewing tower. The thing about going up this high that's so good is that you don't have to worry about sharing a space with other people, because they ain't coming up this high. But let's go up in here, y'all. This ain't no joke. Ooh, it's freezing in this one. It's freezing. This is made for short people, obviously. Mystery Man is not short. Shout out to short people. Oh man. Ooh, it's so cold. Oh, now they want to put in a handicap ramp. Ooh, now they want to put a ramp. But there it is, y'all. The final 2 towers. Let's see what we can do. We're almost to the top. Here's another viewing tower. These are actually pretty nice viewing towers. We're gonna see if we're gonna have the ultimate satisfaction when we get to the top. Hope y'all appreciate the work that I'm putting in, because I'm putting some work in. So we'll see. We're gonna get there. So let's keep working our way and see what we can do. Hey guys. Yeah, we're getting there.
Yeah.
Almost there, almost there.
It gets better, I promise.
Good. All right, so another viewing tower. Seen one, you've seen them all. This one's actually noticeably bigger than all the other viewing towers. Probably because you're up high, you can see a little bit more. But obviously there's a whole lot more space in here. So let's keep working our way, y'all. Here we go. All right, so apparently from this viewpoint, look over there. Zoom in on it, he's dying up there. Woo! Apparently it's 10 minutes. This is a very fast 10 minutes. Maybe Usain Bolt 10 minutes. But let's go check it out. Let's do the supposed 10 minutes. And let's see. Ooh, I'm glad we get to go down again. But just looking at the mountains. Look at that, y'all. And to think they used to just throw people off the side. They ain't throwing me off the side today. We rolling. Climbing the Great Wall. That's what we do here on Mystery Man Travels. Y'all can tell I'm by myself because I'm singing to myself. But here we go. I was waiting for the handrails. All right, we're gonna check in with y'all when I get about halfway up here because I gotta hold on to the rails. So let's do it. Let's check out that view again, y'all. You don't see that every day. Great Wall of China, Mystery Man Travels. We're gonna take a whole lot of pictures and videos on the way down too. So get excited. So close, but so far. But as soon as we get up here, y'all, we done made it. So we gonna see. Let's do it, y'all. Mystery Man. All right, we made it to the top here. Can't go much further. There's where we came from. We're going all the way back down. So mystery people, get excited. Here we go. Now the funny thing is, if you actually want to go more, there's another path that goes all the way down there. We're not doing that. We're going right back where we came from. So let's do it, mystery people. Here we go. It's no joke today. Ooh, my legs are shaking. That usually don't happen with me. I think I'm a pretty in-shape kind of guy. But this will break people. So marathon runners, holler at me. Y'all done ran a marathon before. Swimmers, whatever y'all want to do. This ain't no joke. So that's what we doing today. Some people doing it every day. I couldn't go to the top because there was a police. Woo! I gotta hold on these rails, man. I'm gonna catch y'all at the next little rest stop. Cause I'm not gonna break my ankles out here. So we have another good view here. The sun's in a nice position. That's where we came from, all the way up there. And we're gonna go pretty much all the way back down there. So get excited. We're using the handrail. My legs are shaking. Let's do it. I'm power walking. Because the tour bus is actually gonna leave. And I gotta make it there. Or else I'm gonna be stuck on the Great Wall. We don't want that. I am not sleeping here. So let's work our way back and see what we can do, y'all. Mystery Man. This is such a nice view on the way down too, y'all. It looks like I got it all to myself. Get excited. Yeah, this is nice. Got the music going. Don't get that every day. Yeah, this is something else, y'all. Enjoy your life. Now y'all remember these. We are back. Gotta duck my head down a little bit. Number 11. We gotta go down to number 1. Ooh, break time. And as you come back down, it obviously gets significantly more crowded than it was on the top. But thanks,
Mr. Man!
All right, we're almost there, y'all. Mystery Man.